Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Blossom, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the best free tools for affiliate marketing for beginners. So let's get started. The first tool I want to show you is WordPress. WordPress is the most famous and popular website, blog, and app publisher in the world. It is extremely versatile, easy to use, and the best part, completely free. The second tool that every marketer should know about is Canva. Canva is the perfect content tool if you aren't particularly skilled at graphic design, but still want to have visual appeal. With Canva you can easily make infographics, brochures, ebook covers, and gift certificates and more. Number 3. The Sumo. The Sumo is a research and marketing tool that helps you understand market trends. With the Sumo you can find the content that is most often shared on social media, track your competitors, evaluate and rate keywords, and get great ideas for both original and shareable content for your readers. Number 4. Buffer. Buffer is a social media management tool that helps you effectively manage your time. From one site you can send out blasts to all of your social media accounts. A lot of sites offer this feature, so what makes Buffer special is that you can schedule your posts for later times. And the last tool I want to show you, but not the least, is ClickMeter. ClickMeter, as an affiliate marketer, you will be doing a lot of tracking in order to understand exactly what brought traffic to your site, what on your site helped them decide to buy a product, and what you can do to bring them back to your page. ClickMeter is a link, affiliate, and conversion tracker all in one, and contains over 100 free features that you can use to track your performance and optimize your campaigns. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more digital marketing content.